Hi, my name is Afzal Sidda, and I'm the production manager at Diski Sports. Diski Sports started off initially as a retail store business, only dealing in sportswear. Just prior to COVID, we started reducing our retail stores, and eventually we decided we're custom sportswear manufacturer. The S500s we purchased, it was just the beginning of COVID when we got our first delivery. The second S500 we purchased 2023 mid-year around June, July, because of course we realized that now we needed to expand. Production was going well, so we needed a second machine. Initially, the S500 HP was the only guys that were really marketing the sublimation machine. Midcomp showed us the demo on the machine. We then saw the potential on how it can benefit the business by getting one of the S500s in. Initially, we only concentrated on sportswear. We are now slowly tapping into the promo market as well. Promotional items like gazebos, promotional clothing items, which can work with sublimation. The HP, because it can push the volumes, we can handle the bigger orders, and we saw that it can tie into sportswear manufacturing and custom sportswear. We realized that's when we needed the HP machine. Initially, we purchased the first S500 outright on our own. There was no PPU auction at that time when we had the first machine. Everything was running well. It was a learning curve for us as well. We were experiencing a lot of maintenance that needed to be done on the machine. The cost of constantly buying ink, running short of ink mid-job. Make sure you have the right heads. Your heads are always up to standard because it affects print quality. Midcomp launched the PPUGRO options. We looked into it and we saw the benefit into having the PPU and PPUGRO. So initially, machine 1, we switched over to PPU, which gave us the benefit of always having consumables on hand. Technical servicing, maintenance, all of that was being done by Midcomp. The phone call away, we get a technician out. We do get priority when it comes to services and things like that because we have the PPU option. When we looked at getting machine 2, we looked at the PPUGRO. Midcomp sat down with us, explained to us how the package worked. They supplied the machine, they supplied the heat press, all in one package. That reduced costs for us in the printing side. We have a set per square meter charge, which we pay Midcomp on a monthly basis. So for every square meter we print, we pay for that. Eventually the machine, of course, will belong to us as well. We have no issues when it comes to service. We have the salesman, which is always our first point of contact. We always have the technicians on standby. Also use Midcomp for some of the consumables because they are very compatible when it comes to pricing in the market. We log our call if we have a query. They respond within the time agreed. They understand the nature of our business where everything is tight deadlines. So if I need a technician out ASAP, they will try and accommodate for that. We could use the S500s on one heat press because the S500s are so fast. But when we took the second S500, we opted to go for a second heat press as well, just so that we have one machine, one S500 to one heat press. I think the main features of the S500s is reliability. So we're confident we can take on jobs and not have breakdowns midway through the jobs. Print quality we get out of the S500 is a game changer when the customer needs to make a decision. Because we're in the sports industry, nobody wants to look the same. So the S500 allows us to produce custom sublimated garments for every team that we work with. We do have other brands of sublimation machines as well. The HP is almost double the speed of that. Quality is unmatched compared to any of the other sublimation machines that we've seen. So other guys might claim that the machines are faster, but they're not running it on the same passes or on the same ink usage that the HP is giving us. Print quality is always on point. Service and reliability, the machines are reliable. We don't get much breakdowns on them. We do have the normal wear and tear issues where the print heads, once we've reached certain mileage, to get optimal quality, Midcomp would come out, replace the heads for us. Because we're on PPU and PPUGRO, we don't pay for that services anymore. They feel the heads need to be replaced. If the inks need to be replaced, it just gets done for us. So downtime is very minimal. In the last 6 months, I don't even remember any time that we had downtime on the S500 printers. Once it's running, if you maintain them, they run perfect.